Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how can you track the live chat integration with the Google Tag Manager, and I also try to show the browse the client side and the server side. So no more delay, let's get started. You can see that I am already integrated the live chat with my website, and I want to try to track this live chat with the all all event and event parameter. You can see that event name is the live chat message sent, and you have to find out all of event parameter to sending the you all social media platform like Google Ads, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Google Analytics, for whatever you have to use for this. You have to use this event and also the event parameter. So let's get started. Firstly, I am implement the website. And before I started, I presume that you already know that how to create tag triggers variable and how can you connect your Google Tag Manager with your website. If you do not yet, then go to my YouTube channel. Here I have provided the lots of video. You can check it out and create your own tag triggers video. So that is our live chat. Uh, and that is our Google Tag Manager. So I am go to the new tag to create the tag. That tag will be the custom HTML because I am pushing this data layer on my website. So I am selecting the custom custom HTML tag, and by custom HTML code, I have to push the event and all the event parameter to our data layer. So that is the code. And now question is why you find out the code. So in the description box, firstly, you can go to my LinkedIn profile. Uh, you can find out me from here, and the post section. I am also giving the all code or resources, so you can check out my LinkedIn profile. So you can find out the description box. So from here, you can find out that this code. So that is the solutions for me. So for the trigger, you are select the DOM ready or page view, but you have any specific page to set up the live chat. So you can add it as a trigger. It depends on you, but my case, I am just create a new tag, and that will be the a page view. So that is tag for the line. Save it and tag name the custom HTML dataLayer. I'm giving the long name that will be the understand for me. So save it. So now I have to submit it and test it. Our event and event parameter are shown in the data layer. So I'm just submit it. So I'm preview continue. That is our website, and that is our chat. I'm just testing it and back to Tag Assistant. Here you can find out the event name as a live chat message sent, and chatbox ID, visitor ID, message ID, and then all of event parameter you have to find out here. So in the data layer, firstly we are pick the live chat message sent. Just it is appear on the website, and if I go to the second one, that is live chat message sent and live chat getting displayed, and also live chat form submitted. And last one is live chat message sent. So we have to try to pick the last one. That will be the more appropriate to track the actual visitor who are sending the message. I hope you understand. So we are pick the last one, live chat message sent this event. So how can you implement for the other platform? I mean that you can go to the tag. I am able to sending the any platform, Facebook Pixel, Pinterest, TikTok. You can go to the Facebook pixel. Here you have to send the pixel ID. You can adding the pixel ID here. I'm just 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm just adding it. And in the custom, you just adding the this event name, live chat message sent, and also if I go to the object parameters, you have to adding the all event parameter to sending the you have to send the all parameter sending the if I go to the message ID, you just adding it and you have to create the variable for that. I hope you understand how can you create it. And if I go to the triggering also you have to adding the event name. If I go to the trigger, that will be the custom event. That is a custom event, and the event name is live chat message sent. And if I go to the trigger name, event live message sent, you can save it, and as an event parameter, you have to add it one by one. So I hope you understand how can you add the for Facebook. Now I am set up the data tag, send the all data browser to server. So you can go to the tag configuration. So as a client, you are using the Google Analytics GA4 event, or also the you have to use the data tag. So that is your preference, you which one you have to use. So as a GTM server site URL, so I'm pasting my server site URL that I am copy from the stable part of IO, where I am create the first party domain or custom domain. I had created video about that, so you can check it on my YouTube channel and send common data, and you can also send all from data layer. So I am just go to the event data. So one by one, I have to edit it. So you can go to the tag assistant in chatBoxID. I repeat again, if you are using the paid version, I think you have to find out the right one, chatBoxID. So I'm just one by one adding it. I'm just skip it. Now I am adding it and then come back to you. So one by one, I am adding the all event data and value. And as a transformation, we do not edit it. And the store will be adding it. Now we have to select the custom event. So you can go to the tag assistant again. Here is our event name, live message sent. So we go to the adding the custom event on it, and as the triggering we are adding the event live chat message sent, which we have created before, and that is data tag live chat message sent. Save it, and we have to submit it. So now we have to again preview that and check out that our all browser side event and event parameter are receiving the server side or not by using the data tag. So preview, continue. So that is our lab chat. So we are just testing it. How can I help you? And we have to send it. And now check it the server side int. Here you can see that we have to, so you can see that our data client are receiving the all data and data incoming HTTPS request 200. That means our all data are perfectly working. If I go to the event data here, you can see that we have to find out the all of event parameter, chatBoxID, chatSubType, message, all of event parameter. So now how can we have to finally receiving the all event parameter for the server side int, that is our server side interface. So you can go to the tab. So I am receiving the all data browser to server. So now I am go to the new and type configuration. I go to the gallery to source the Facebook conversion here, add to workspace and add Facebook conversion here, set up override, and here you have to adding the custom event. So you have to find out the event name. So go to our server container event data. You can go to the event data Here you can see the event. So I am copy the event from here and also back to Google Tag Manager server container. Paste the custom event. Action source will be the website. API access token. You know that from where you can find out the access token. You can go to your Facebook Business Manager. Then you can find out the API access token and Facebook Pixel ID and also paste code. And you are adding the custom data here. You can go to the add property and one by one you have to add in the property name and property value. So again, I go to the event data section. You can go to the chatBoxID or chatSubType. So I copy the name from here. Also back to the server content and property value will be the plus sign. And also I'm go to the event data and in the event data I am adding the value that is share sub item and event data share subtype and save it. Look, see where you can find out the value and one by one you have to adding like that and triggering will be the custom event and here you have to pick the event name. So again, event data, event name will be the live chat message sent. So that is not a problem. We are already receiving the all data browser to server. So you can optimize each and everything. I hope you understand. And if you are new, then something you do not understand, you have to go to my YouTube channel. I recommended you watch the video how to sending the event data, how to use create the key path, all of that you have to find out. So the event is live chat message sent and save it. And tag will be the server side and live chat message. So you can save it and it will be work. So you just and save it. It will work, but you have to add in the all property which I am shown on the browser site. That is for the Facebook. So it's not safe because I do not provide the API access token and pixel ID. So for the same, you have to adding the any kind of social media or your any kind of social media you can do. So finally, we have perfectly set up the live chat conversion tracking, both browser and server, and for the all platform, you can use it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.